Number 3 is LGT Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer. Are you ready to bring your LEGO creations to life? Then the LGT Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer is the ultimate tool for LEGO enthusiasts. This printer has exciting features that will take your LEGO building experience to awesomeness. One of the standout features of the LK5 Pro is its upgraded dual blower kit. This kit cools your filament rapidly after extrusion, ensuring your models stay perfectly formed without any deformation or unsightly wire drawing. Say goodbye to those frustrating printing mishaps. Not only does the LK5 Pro offer exceptional print quality, but it also boasts a stable triangular structure thanks to reinforced diagonal rods. This design minimizes vibrations, resulting in incredibly regular and precise prints. You'll marvel at this printer's level of detail and accuracy. The LK5 Pro is not just a powerhouse, it's a quiet one too. Equipped with the TMC2208 Ultrasilent Driver and an open-source motherboard, this printer operates smoothly while minimizing noise. Plus, with open-source firmware, you can experiment with your ideas by tinkering with the G-code. If you want to purchase the sizable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4